Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, I hope you like what you see and subscribe. We're on the beautiful Nashwaak River today, fishing for trout. Might catch a few smallmouth bass as well. Let's see how we do. Some Canada geese there with their goslings. They're not too happy to see me. Just gonna stay out of their way. Don't want to bother them. Got ourselves a little calm stretch here, time to bait up. You can see we're using our ultralight trout rig. This is the rig we're using today. Same thing, number 4 snelled hook. Using a little bit of a bigger spinner today because we're in bigger water. It's a 3.5 Hildebrandt gold color and a little weight. Get a juicy night crawler on here. Again, we probably only use about an inch or so, 1.5 inches. A little dab will do. What an absolute gorgeous morning. I think the wind's supposed to come up some more, but it's not going to impact us on this river. We are at our first nice pool. Let's give this a couple casts, see what we get. Just anchored at the head of it right now. There we go. Nice cast. Drag set right. Beautiful little spot. Oh. There's our first hit. Oh, missed him, guys. Oh, rats. We're on the fish though. Let's check the bait. First pool, first hit. Gonna be a great day. What am I saying? It's already a great day. Just be really quiet. You don't want to bang the oar or anything like that. There was a bank beaver in here at one time. A couple casts over here and see what we get into. Oh, what do we got there now? Something hitting her. Got one. We're on, friends. Oh, and you know what it was? It was a trout. I saw it right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was our second bite and our first hookup. Going to be a good spot. I'm going to take it there. Further in the corner. Can't let it sink too long. It's not very deep. Oh. Not sure if that was a bite and a fish is on it. Feels like a fish is on it right now. Oh, Jesus. Sorry about the swearing. My son. We've got a decent fish on there. What the heck is that? Oh. Look what we got there for a fall fish. Hey. Look at that. We could be the chub master right there. And again, that must be a fall fish in there. They are chawing away at that. I think I need to seriously rebait, right? Try to make that worm stretch as far as I can. Oh. There's a fish. What do we got there now? Oh, putting up a nice fight. Yes, sir. Gosh. I think we got his brother. A lot of fun on the ultralight. Trout in the middle a little more. Oh, oh. I think we're on. Little fall fish. Little guy. Where do we go again? Okay. We could probably sit here all day and catch these guys. Oh, just a little guy right there. Oh, that's a better fish. There we go. Hey, the chub master. Way he goes. Changed up the rig a little bit. Went with a weighted spinner now. See how that works. Now you didn't think that the Master Crow was going to fish all day without including a little trolling, did you? See if we can hook ourselves a fish this way. Just going to move down river until we get into some smaller stuff. Might as well have the line out. Oh my gosh, guys. I was trolling, look what I got. What a beauty trout. Gonna have to keep him, we hooked him deep. Trolling again. Keep your eye on that rod, guys. If you see that go off, let me know. Guys, we're trolling, I think we're on. I think we got a nice fish here. Let's drop anchor. Okay, wow. Okay, how's that for a fall fish? That was a great fight. Get him back in the water. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. We actually caught a bass. Look how small that is. Hilarious. As we were just doing some trolling, it looks like we got a little fish on here. Love to see that. I'm going to suspect it's a bass, to be honest with you. It's about 2 hours later and we're way down in Marysville. Let's see what we got here. Certainly suspect that's what it is, a little bass. Oh my son! Look at that fatty! Woo-hoo! My sacred heart! Look at that. We're gonna let him go, guys. Gonna let this trout go. Almost looks like a sea trout. Uh-oh, flip up now, come on. That's not good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes, I am, boys. Awesome. Hope you guys catch him. Thanks, guys. Hope you catch a monster. That's kind of nice. 2 subscribers and a shout out. But saying that, I just checked the watch and it is about 7 o'clock. We put in at 8 o'clock this morning, so if my math is correct, we've been on the water now for 11 hours, probably the last 6 paddling like a mad dog. So we're gonna wrap up this episode, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.